Hello guys. Before this video starts, I just want to say that this video is literally about a debate. Yep, you heard me right. Sorry guys. It is literally about a debate. So guys, I won't be speaking too much because I kind of have a little bit of a sore throat. So I hope I feel better in the near future and try to get rid of this symptom. But anyways guys, enjoy watching. I hope it doesn't give you a scare.
This is not the test. To repeat, this is not the test. Our world is coming to the final hours. At 12:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yes, I just discovered that Jupiter swallowed Uranus. And Saturn swallowed Neptune. And that Saturn, Jupiter and Saturn are heading to Mars, the Earth, Venus, and Mercury, which means those two planets are on a rampage. Lots of people say that Jupiter
Before this video ends, I just want to say I hope I didn't scare you too bad, but let's talk about a different topic. Which team are you on? Like the video, if you're on Team Introvert, like the video and comment Team Introvert. And if you're on Team Extrovert, like the video and comment Team Extrovert in the comments. And if you're on both sides, like the video and say both sides with a heart emoji on it, because you really care about it. But anyways, I'm not going to talk much. So, see you later. Also, I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out, people. It didn't give me a scare because, you know me, I'm brave.